it seems like Tiger Woods was involved in a serious car accident just down the road from here in Southern California. There was a lot of rumor and conjecture on Twitter was going on during the Kenan Thompson chat, and then the LA County Sheriff's Twitter handle tweeted out a statement. I'll read it. On February 23rd, 2021, at approximately 7:12 a.m., so about 4.5 hours ago from right now, L.A. Sheriff's Department responded to a single vehicle rollover traffic collision on the border of Rolling Hills Estate and Rancho Palos Verdes. The vehicle was traveling northbound on Hawthorne Boulevard at Black Horse Road. When it crashed, the vehicle sustained major damage. The driver and sole occupant was identified as Eldrick Tiger Woods. Mr. Woods was extricated from the wreck with the quote-unquote jaws of life by L.A. County firefighters and paramedics, then transported to a local hospital by ambulance for his injuries. The traffic investigation is being conducted by investigators from the L.A. Sheriff's Department.
Yeah, Tiger's agent Mark Steinberg just put out a short statement. Being involved in the accident, quote, suffered multiple leg injuries, currently in surgery. Thank you for privacy and support.
Oh, my word. I don't know what to say. First of all, glad to hear it's leg injuries because one would not think that this is life-threatening. Glad to see that he survived it. But
some of the pictures coming in across Twitter right now of his vehicle.
Of his vehicle.
It's a Genesis SUV, and the whole front end is just completely gone.
The Genesis Invitational is one that he was part of the broadcast at CBS here in Riviera. I mean, the LA Open, which is kind of his tournament. So, oh my gosh, I don't know what else to say other than the fact that I'm, glad to hear that he is alive and that he is hopefully being, mended, and then he gets on the mend. And that this is not something so serious that we're talking about something completely different when we come on the show tomorrow. I don't know what else to say other than the fact that this is frightening, that you go home now and you hug your family and you call your loved ones right now because it's one of those things. He leaves his house at 10 after 7 in the morning, and then 2 minutes later, his life changes upside down. Car life upside down, physically and emotionally, spiritually. My gosh.